got there in the end. South Hackney and Shoreditch, we won. Knocking doors and shaking hands beneath the rising sun. All the time I was talking, walking, meeting girls and guys, listening to the hopes and dreams reflected in their eyes. Street by street and day by day, we kept the message strong, working hard together and bringing people along. We got there in the end. South Hackney and Shoreditch, we won. People made their voices heard and joined in everyone. They ticked the right box at the polling station, cast their vote with care, and now we're building for the future, working for the borough there. Every conversation mattered, every doorstep, every street, from the market to the park, where neighbors often meet. We spoke about our community and what we could achieve, a stronger, fairer future that the people could believe. 4 years of service, 4 years of work, standing up for local needs, putting people first. When communities come together, there's so much we can do. South Hackney and Shoreditch, this victory belongs to you. We got there in the end. South Hackney and Shoreditch, we won. The campaign road was long and hard, but now the race is done. Thanks to every voter who believed and played their part. Together we'll keep moving forward with hope in every heart. South Hackney and Shoreditch, Shoreditch, hear the people sing. Shoreditch, working side by side for every neighborhood we bring. We got there in the end. Yes, together we have won, and the work for our community has only just begun.